be so you vote and we win. And so net challenges at me abamu. Social media no. Well, what do you do more? They be able to say, almost control narrative, NDC for control. Or me can't send you back or share about them. No, now you didn't so benya sa story no.
Over $500,000 paid for in cash. That is what Felix Fosu-Kwakye is driving in. The car he's driving, no, there is not up to 5 Ghana. The car Felix Fosu-Kwakye is driving in. Nipa omu wasa car Ghana no, omu do 5. But see the way NDC is giving the youth the opportunity. Edem Agbana already. Look at how NDC is giving him opportunity. He's an MP. He's traveling all around. Now, instead of Yen MPP used to be the party that was doing those things. If you study, if you remember, way back, now I can say NDC for that they are very greedy. They don't like releasing money. They don't like giving people opportunity. It was MPP that was known for giving people opportunity, giving the youth opportunity. And to wow now we are a politician, our MPP munu, it was easy for you to get the spotlight. And what we were doing that made the party attractive, that got NDC for to learn from us. No? Now NDC people have learned it from us and we are departing from it. And to say, oh, MPP mono, do 60 years, do 70 years, you shouldn't be given any opportunity in the party. Is that what we are saying? Look at the number of useless portfolio this NDC government had to create just to put the fees in their youth. They created a national director coordinator for DRIP. Then they have district regional coordinators. All 16 regions. Deputy regional coordinators. Then district coordinators. All 275 districts. Or 260 something districts. All because they have realized the future is for the youth. The Gen Zs must see some appeal around political party. And a fine gentleman like Bawumia, you are doing everything possible to bring down his spirit. To what end? Do we need a candidate that can win us an election, or we need a candidate that just wants to win to prove a point? That is a question we must answer. Because from the way things are going, it's appearing as though we are just looking for a candidate that will prove a point. Me a Sikeni, and me a flag bearer. I was there in 1992, so I'm a flag bearer. To go for Bebre now war 92. Must we wait for all of them to become flag bearers before those of us who came after can become anything? Please send your request. Let's have a conversation. What do you think about this? Was that a fair statement to make? And the second thing is, as I said that, I heard a former NAPCO guy who praised the NAPCO policy. And I'm asking myself, why did we sit down for NDC to demonize NAPCO to the extent that they made NAPCO look as though it came to do more damage than good to our party, our country? Let's send your request. Let's have a conversation. First Prince, it's saying,
I mean, I don't know when you're not Juma Pocodier.
Yes, I don't know you now, sorry.
Yeah, the young couple nase, the young mercy.
5 minutes in way.
You, where the American Kakran say, the MP Nikafa Baumiano. Na idea ewo mutrimu a enokra ntimpo na ma owo office omumia no omumma no kwan mane ntime pour down the knowledge na no owo ntime mo oman we because omunim say ye maba omia kwan no otime fanshi fulia na wi aba omia beka se obeba international time nyina no mo twitwa na asesa twitwa na asesa on say asem omantima mfansi a ne omotena ba bi kwa omotime kano pote direct because ye won sem bi ohokra na unspoken words na ehye omu ntime nka be ade na tena omumu ma omuntime mfansi a omudi pie but then the make nyina ne say uye Ankrani, we are Ga, we are Upper West, who are Northern, who are Hemfa, Baumia air representing many. Yama na nkɔ na saa deɛ wei ɛbɛyɛ normal a ɛbɛyɛ mmara abɛyɛ mmara wɔ MPP mu. Any other tribe would only serve them, but then the person cannot lead the party. So it's the time say yɛbɛ break saa chain no. It was time wa do say bit mama Baumia no ɔbɛkɔ na ɔbɛ break saa chain no say look ɛnyɛ account for party nkoa because time na yɛpɛ MPP no the different parties. Anglo Party, Northern People Party, whatever ever parties, and the people more answer ye for more MPP. Inti ene nipa bi no mu ntime mbeka se MPP omodia. But Baumia na ebe breaki sadia no ya ntime amma Baumia amadia na de sadia na baba ye law. Me no wono ye ntime mbe ye president da ewo MPP mu. Eji se eja MPP na ekojone NDC. But say for so na Baumia timi badia na chese sadia na baba free honom. Masa mame wakana no.
Wow, Fresh Prince. Awesome. But you're Ghana, and I say, oh, Amaroni.
Pachome Ghana, no Accra.
Constituency, oh, Accra. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, get in touch. Let's see. You have spoken so well, brilliantly.
Mate, Medasi.
So, Uncle Marcus, Pacho Viaboko. Also for Marcus, Pacho.
Oh, yes, sir, boss.
Hey, Pacho, now your boss.
Amen.
Yes, I don't know now.
Nyamiadum. You see, ye hiamber kaka na yada ya baby, yada change and bim kaka. And some new be can, especially the attitude of the MPP, say they give the youth opportunity, I beg to differ. And it stems from our history. Also, MPP is a conservative party. MPP or a conservative party. The genesis of MPP itself was as a result of UGCPP, which was an elitist party. Until the forming or the formation of the MPP, the idea, if you read your social studies, it will tell you, whilst the UGCPP was an elitist party, CPP was a mass party. In the MPP formation, they didn't believe certain class of people can be part, especially for the independence agenda. So that conservative idea has stayed in their head, especially people who are over 60 in the party. Inti or idea, like somebody said, is unspoken, but in all their actions, they demonstrate it. If you get close to Mpemfuna or Womna, they just can't believe an outsider can just come in and lead the party. But you see, political parties die out of being stale in their thinking. But UK, in their history, is not the Tories started with, I think that the Twips, they have died. That political party has died because they refuse to change. Today, as we speak, the Labour Party went into opposition for more than 14 years because they refused to change. Conservatives, today, if you come to UK, they are not attractive at all because they have leaders who speak as if wakasa rough because they believe the masses are behind them. Look, some years ago, if you went to the university, it was even an abomination for a university student to be associated with the NDC because it wasn't attractive. MPP, whilst they were elitist, refined, the NDC was John Dumelo Bessie, bottom-up approach. Young Konkoafono, until it wasn't attractive. But the NDC did well by giving young people opportunity, especially the learned ones, to front the party. And that is why, at a certain level, the party has become very attractive to the young people. Going forward, young MPP for no, and me mo to penny before. This is not a time to advise any elderly person in the MPP. But I can assure them, there's a damadwene bi wo wutrim. Na amfa ntena wo na wo yere hwane nchen. Na nyo yere ndi nkomo wo ho. Na opwe wanoba. You have defiled your body and your own image. In fact, that man, I'm sure by now, I was just reading something. He's denying it. But it's too late for them. Omu nyim nyansa kitikitimpo. Omu uncouth in their thinking. And that is how we are going to address them in today's 21st century. I will give you one example. Recently, if you go to TV3, there was one man there, Dr. Zato Oso, who is vehemently defending the party. The so-called kingmakers of this party, they can't go there and do the same dirty job. Right now, they don't even know what he's doing for the party. But the time is coming. If this man wants to contest, that's where the predators, the scavengers in this party will come. I don't call them, they are scavengers. One pam, one bread, dia, no abba, no ebedi. And that has always been the case. But you see, we must go all out to defend Dr. Baumia because he represents the youth. I will not even bring tribe in. He represents those of us who don't have godfathers in this party, and we are aligned with their ideology, not because we have godfathers. That is why se penini bi or ye mistake no obaka nkwasya samote damana ye order ye treating it that badamful, no respect at all, because they don't respect our sentiment. Look, the man paying for our party wing, I can tell you from Kufuor's time, they have benefited immensely from this party. So today, if the party goes down, they don't even care. Their children have benefited immensely from this party. Alan and Co, who have harbored this idea, including that TWEP, Yabuabia Sambwa, they have all benefited from this party. But they speak as if they don't have heads. Because we in the MPP, we entertain them as if they are the only people who have heads to lead us. Enough is enough. That is why my only appeal is to the youth to rally behind Dr. Baumia, not because even he is the one who can get us power. Chale ya bro, ya kasabre. We have wasted our resources. Into a youth, me 40 going forward. Into me the minister be on ye. Say me minister ni pon BND. Into MC is ombama. Why have these people benefited from this party? Not doing yankotin head, because of this stupid idea that somebody is coming, somebody is an alien into all of us should go down because of this stupid idea. Go and listen to his explanation. He was even likening this thing to Ashanti Kingdom. And then wait, Jimmy Anna, MPP party no oya hinsem. MPP party oya hinsem. Look. My brother, woman ye nywan yadin, woman ye nywan ber. Na ye mpanyimfo bi a ye nywan party no mu no. If we treat them with kid gloves, they will destroy this party for us. Some of us we are too associated with MPP. Nyama ni yebeje na yakwadwa ni NDC. That is why we must fight hard to purge them of this nonsense. So that look, sticker and all of them, they have the same mentality, including Eugene Boachieng. They all have the same mentality. Anybody from that stock who makes an attempt to contest for any position, the youth, it's a clarion call. Don't vote for any of them so that they will learn sense going forward. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Wow, Uncle Marcus always does it very beautifully and sharply, and he doesn't mince words. All right, Hypot, yes, let's have you. Hypot,
good evening.
Even Biabogo.
I'm not doing it. We should also in our platform. So now, I say, Santiago, no man or a former MP and a current MP.
A current MP.
A member of parliament at the moment.
Yes, I believe so.
No wonder Ghana it is what it is. Because if such a person is in parliament making laws for Ghana, you can imagine what kind of contribution he's making in parliament. So I can say, in parliament now, 1 year. about 90% in Uranko. With this mindset, we are not going to have the parliament. Case closed. I'm telling you. I won't make worse. And that is the truth. If these are the people who are making laws for the country, the street of Ghana will continue to be littered by refuse. Because this person cannot make any sensible law for this country. They have to kick him out from parliament. I'm not coming so. Obi a alien. Etumi kujina adakamo for 8 months to defend the political party. But his work, it means a political reforms. Emma party ni ba power. Emma hoho na wo se hoho no. Oba occupy the second highest position in the country for 8 years. Where were you? Well, I'm sure sir, sometimes when they go to this radio station, they drink something. Yes, my brother, they drink something. You can, because I can't think about. I'm sure they drink something. Either they smoke something or drink something. Dabi, who say Ghana no? Yem penny mudie. Yen dream say ubi okro ni mudie bia no so ya time. So what studies had now? Voice. These things right from schools, institutions, all the way to government establishment, Obia woni mudie bia. O person the best say bibi penny sorry etia sa nipa.
Yeah.
I say you to use idea if you are yes I am going you da because voice you didn't dear and a teacher of mine and yes you the teacher of mine you didn't dear may Dr. Maunu Bamia Omo Kosro Bafum Omo Kujare Po Omo Kwasa Abano on one obey day. Sa vote what about now Omo the church room. Now you the basic factory and a vortic we say and cash and they have seen it sir they are losing it on the ground. That is why they are they have seen sir they have lost it already.
What the moko buy toothpaste and mama will hear my shishiwa on your day.
Can you imagine this in your mouth? Can you imagine this? Oh, voice, I na bitie yenu anomo a omudi ya papa Kennedy na omo kan Kennedy be bia djuma na Kennedy Japan wo power obi antumi disika. Ma me kan kire omo se ya wo mra bebire wo Ghana enso nkrofo ye den. Abokro no wadwuma mebo a. Emra nko a ye fa nkikire o man ye the system enso ye den e ka ho na preventing nipa no kura se otuma kwa kwa ye den.
Even Jerry, who line now former president and killed them, he has produced the most belligerent thieves in Ghana serving as ministers today.
Yes, yeah. This is Obiba constituency. No, but catch us obesi factory. Catch any pan say Kwame Nkrumah see factories be Ghana. Or the Ghana for ni nyina egu. Enti na Akufo Addo ne ba me nyansam no. Almost yan private government private partnership. Send be ya factories no. Ya body e bituma ye den. Atena wo afebo ama Ghana for nyaduma ye. Na yesa wo sora wo ko jere kura yi plastic container be be factory. Who government you can you build factories in Ghana? Anya yenum say yankrofo yi wo de adwuma hye wo sa na ayebasa. So we want systems sir. They be to me di a checking crofo. Dr. Bamia, me say mo de wo mama Dr. Bamia 4 years pe. Na yanhwe transformation. Within the next 2 years of his administration, we will see changes in Ghana. Obi Ghana, and I can obi to me this car. Who told you? Yeah, the systems be go a be prevent the pan kura say. Sikana kura ne sa kura sompo na bia kono bottom. And na ye pa yes oh, and I can Japan obi pam obi this car oh president who feed flat assassin ko ministers ko family pan. Our for systems be go be prevent the pan. Agro money so. Agro power money so. Ba omo pa mo di Dr. Bamia tem oye ho ofi hin eba you enkosi aga. Me say the man is going to win massively. The grassroots, the history will repeat itself. Now we will say yes. MPP grassroots for a police station for no Jimmy. They know what they want. Omuni mo bia party nim. Omuni mo bia. Enti Dr. Bamia oda onda nyame beko no kwa ye den. amano mo ke kan kwasa sem no MP o nyina o MP ya to obama no or cancel for when you say or the parliament they have to kick him out from there straightforward you know that say obi nto aso
That's a high port. Yeah, brain basket 5 minutes in go. Brain basket.
Me that's me.
Yeah.
No more agents so me
Yeah.
ma obi bi Marcus me chiao.
Mm.
Fat the voice my for the fact no fact of this my for free background me me history kakra. Me started support to MPP na me yakra pa. Me reading am free me district. Na ye full NDC district. Na ye ho wo de kuru abakra si wa NDC for mbeto amam. That na German constituency. Obi a wo ha woni German bia woni mo. Ena me wofa me ma me triba. Any some group ena mo organize ye. Inti almost station e for aprase e wodwinim. Nti ne as at now okwa aprase a strong MPP area. A ho bia ni some MPP for that now. Ne organize football matches. That MPP na enya attractive mo bia. Na your more organizing football matches na ye ba sa we did that to the extent say NPP be attractive ye district wa na what the NPP no and pressure na ye full and this no na ye full NPP a what the kuru abakra so si woman NPP a obe win election enti say obi kogina baabi na o kan say we onye NPP ni a ya na adwene wo fom I didn't tell me say na adwene wo fom say omo ye NDC for no omo na best san ye MPP for and omo ye NPP for no omo aso na omo san ko ye NDC for endi say ugina ne ukoye district wa omo to aba NDC nya vote bebre because most people now are converted from NPP to NDC on ndi ye mpanyfo no say omo gina sinzie so na so omo kasa na omo kan kwasesem saa na mhu say tama say ye san kwasiafo ni nyina free party nim me nto sabi say ye san kwasiafo ni nyina free party nim because say ye fu say ebi ye we dey NPP ni pa then ye koye campaign ayere na me kam bun pa ye koye campaign ayere ye anything ga enye campaign get one ya from NPP for time say koto aba mkoto aba na yete ye ba bi ndi ade ndi ye koye campaign won nipa sango fo no ba din beni nyanza badwene wo fom enye me nka so omu ye NPP fo omu nya NPP fo because obi o ye NPP odo party bia ni say woko ye campaign okoko ka kire omu ye NDC fo no omu so nya omu adwen so omu wo party no na omu convert aba party no omu abe support no watu anya omu atu aba na mo no wanya more vote ana mu amu asem bo am nka kire me endi se uko gina baabi na se wo ye campaign no ka say we de o ye NDC nya wo ye wo no na o ye hwan and the MPP by time MPP be popular around 96 and then America buaje the ato so support to NPP around 2000 me around 96 na me support to NPP na me ni vote na me ni aban cry but me wo fa wo car nti o kwa metnem bi ena data ye twisoroku brassman ginem nti me di akire ene ohon na convert ye mu binu ma be ye MPP fo that no kwa uba Ghana no most near NDC for na that na yeto abampo since when ye shall say to about Ghana yeto about Ghana tambing on enti say mu binum me so say 92 ne ye shall say to about Ghana meboa 92 ne ye shall say to about Ghana that 92 no na we NPP for Ghana you meet make say mu 70 or 80% no mu ye NDC for
yeah, to about 1951 oh, but like
In the First Republic.
of Republic
yeah.
Wow, now we Ghana, mu meet makers mu 80% ya no mu ya MPP for NDC for me boy.
And
Yeah, turn your message ma Ghana for say yende yet say. And am ya bedu 2025. Ade sa akwa na o kasa no. I don't know what nu wi na say Jimmy na wa Jimmy. And sa camp na also free no. Say omufu so ombegu ye party na e na omoboa because we've come a long way. time na MPP ni ani da so kra no ya boa ma na anya ni da so nye
Right.
me ka kosi bi say me father Akufo Addo ba so first no omo appointing say omo converting na onko ADC na unim yengofo ya at the time ye time mini vote na ye campaign no na ono ti se hwodo koku ono na wanya kakra tunu botom aba party abenya position di no ono fu so ye party members no bia fa ka ba sunya we ka che me father nya MPP ni and that guy na am your chreme na oto ono so agimi se kwasia no sa kwasia mpanyin na ono ti o ka se ba omi ayire ye omfriga onye Ghana ni no omo ka sa chere no an oyi ni film ana kono bi fence man no ba no nim no o se there bi o se why mistake pa sa panyin na wa yi na film unim man na ofa aka akoye no o wanko school onin class on class when denda na se na yi ba no so o probi ma na asan a me father no kosan na se ska bi obenyan akoto me father account na me father ku yama no this same person offer aka ebers nya be ye nkonkonsa. This is the kind of people we are breeding in the party. Selfish interest. On say wo internal contest number. Ko your campaign MPP na one MPP ni. Obi na mabonjo be re we MPP na we NDC ni. Ye campaign through bia. Mahama na say Ghana poto a beyond repairs and oton bibia yento. The voice, you say me produce X at least every week. Be producing around 800 crates of X. Na 800 crates in there. Could you imagine say the time almost as almost to Kana Kusian Susano? You know, na yet almost Kusiano. But I see at dollars. Ne, what the Kus ne missing me Kusia more than 700 crates within this year. Meaning baby Amedefa.
Whoa.
This way now or monk now could you say we MPP ni we NDC ni party na ne papa de sa kwa na or na bodwe abuagum se ne ye de dia abo frame bo frame no ono party ni data mo chichi party ni na chichi party na se ne papa na chichi san kwasiafo we nyina hard time say we nyame na me lose this election no na kire mpanfo no binum oyi omoto ahu amaye hu kwasiafo omo party na ye yi omo afim because the next election na ye beko no se ewini nyame ye ade na ewini a san kwasiafo we num bia na ye mo omo power
Yo, but as a brain basket.
da kwa na MP MP wote parliament a Ghana ye wo mram say ye nye discrimination na otim ko gina ba bi we watia wasana soro etia Ghana constitution de kwasia we kwatena wo MPD we jim say no kwatena parliament a din ase no kokan fa ho
Koka ye na jika ba ko. But as a brain mess about hobby.
me da also munya
Yo, kwabna ebo papa health practitioner. It's say
Oh, the voice. It's your
yeah,
it's your all the co-panelists. I'm so waka bebre hip hop so aka bebre. Na na ne me ya wo mu say I think say time 1992 adubo ahene shase say obeli di MPP no. Ye binim kura yesu abasa time ne ka ho. Sa time no na Oti region was voter region. Omo di bicycle aye adwuma ma party ni kura omo ndi party ni ho de. But se eba ni si ye benya okanidifo bi na obedi party n'animu a ye di baton be man wali di a kono wo kaya ni ontimi ye no instead so be pave we amane obeye no na otwetwa ni 90 uko social media now pa dance ya honorable Ken ya wadi ba wumia ho dance so ohwe nimdi ekura man na odwen wo kura wonte ase. Some of the challenges now school nkwara face before medical school secondary school placement ne ade chese owonimdie omaboa mamampani nanado ama nkrofo beye ehiafo ma ne esikafo ma nyina timi kọ school ama manfo ebinim anyam nimdie nkwara ne bitimi tena social media praise nanado ne baomia all of a sudden no narrative na abesesa na me bisa me ho say time no nim say oba be di omampani ana like eni na adwum all of a sudden na say we be wram ayana me blame obi a o me blame party executives no say embra bi wo ho na so obi ka kasafo bi tia party no na the same person or say wa fane onim ne ama wa bedom nkwasiafo party amondwen na nde sa nipa so obedi party nanima during vetting kra wo so nkomu disqualify sa nipa no nso mo agya no enne omo gina no mo to ayampia se Bawumia ho ahihinti na MPP lose election na what of the MPs no mo lose omo seat bebrebe no mo so ni nyina so na Bawumia ntia hwe ye communicators no eya na ye gya ye homa NDC for the dollar no gusu kasa say exchange rate because Bawumia say when the exchange rate when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Look at you, the whole 8 years no just bosom October November 2024 na dollar no echo 16 na mudi we nyina ye campaign like yentimi defend it we say I feel like say party executives in penifo no more national levels eba omo amfa omo ani anko onkrofo bi o metimi aye adwuma no ene egina wona de bia your friend say ena we gu party ni man anima say we party wantimi amfa party na anko be bia o kase o dizongo vote no meba wonfa zongo vote na mba enso ukọ party your friend say we statistics from the party na zongo vote no be bia ni oba omi alusu those days voter region woni hwan na yebeka say MPP ube yebebo vote ama MPP atimi anya vote bi wo de hwe nanado time me de yana me de nanado ne ba omia time vote issue to nkwanta south meme ho to be to be precise oti region omtimi nya 12,000 MP na otie ho no oko 24 years oyare for 4 term ni nyina odaba bi so ye vote anu awini enso ne challenges atimi aba mu social media no well wo de oye adwuma wo de bia hu say omo control narrative NDC for control o meka asem bi wo bekọ akọhwe about them no na ye den so benya sa story no nti ye besre ye party mpenifo no say delegates no mona tumi wo monsam we don't have any better candidate than Bawumia credibility no wo high gogo enkohu wonya hwe ne o menya ka fa Bawumia ne the dollar but say obo video bi we ni ti waye ne sesa gawo we ti ase tese kwabna sante no ne no ye yi na chese a whole lot me dey say delegate mu ko vote yi honorable Ken so onye omedi Ghana ni ma me dey mu MPP no kranto obedi Ghana ni ma a disgrace but there is no better candidate than Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.